Okay, so I'm on a Mac, Cindy, but what you see here is that the Course Basic Extract has downloaded and I'm getting this dialog box. I'm going to go ahead and click open. It may look a little different for you. I'm going to say, okay, let's open that puppy. And I'm going to close some other nonsense I've got open here. And here is my Course Basic Extract, just opening up raw. If you're super Excel savvy, forgive me if I'm repeating anything that you already know, but I figure this can help. By default, the report opens up in a chaotic order. In the first column here, you can see course IDs for all courses in the district. Ideally, we would be able to filter by college, but that feature is not yet built into the system. And then we have an array of other interesting columns here that can be of use to you in other applications. I encourage you, when you have more time, to look around this report and see if it's of use to you, but it teaches you a lot about coding, unit values, contact hours, clock hours, etc. But we are basically just trying to figure out the active curriculum. So what I'm first going to do is click up in the upper left-hand corner to select all, and I'm going to go to the Data tab. Granted, yours is going to look different, and I'm going to turn on the filter feature. The filter feature gives me the ability to filter by any number of criteria within the report. But in this case, I'm going to focus on column A, which is called course name, which is basically the course prefix. And I'm just going to select this and say, okay, filter by, and I'm going to say choose one, and begins with M. Because you're Columbia College and you don't want to see Modesto's curriculum, I'm going to bring up all of Modesto's courses so that I can just delete them really easily. So I'll click on the very top row, which is this ADJU 145, and I'm going to scroll down, beep, 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 sorry about for the dizzying thing, scroll down to the bottom of the M's. It's taking a little while to populate. Modesto has a ton. We're looking at all of Modesto's active and inactive records. Okay, so all of Modesto's curriculum that's in data tells. As long as I see data, I know I'm still scrolling down. And there's probably a keyboard shortcut to get me here faster than I'm getting. But, oh wow, sorry about this. Oh. Okay, here we are. That's my bottom. So now I selected that first row. I'm going to click the Shift key, and I'm going to now select the bottom row. And you notice that it's selected everything. And I'm just going to hit my Delete key, and that wipes all those records out. So now if we go back here and we click Clear Filter, now we see the holes in this data set, which is where courses used to be from Modesto. Now, just to clean it up a little, I'm going to select all, and I'm going to go here and say sort ascending. And this is showing all of the Columbia College course records now. This, bear in mind, this includes community education or community services courses and inactive courses, as well as those non-courses we discussed, things for like IB and AP. Okay, so I'm going to pause here and post this for you. This is video number 2.